Do you struggle with recurring yeast infections or digestive issues? You could be dealing with Candida overgrowth. In this video, we'll discuss the best remedies for Candida and how you can help keep it under control. So, get ready to say goodbye to those frustrating symptoms and hello to better health. Candida is a type of yeast that is commonly found in the human body, especially in the gut and mouth. In healthy individuals, Candida is kept in check by beneficial bacteria in the gut. However, certain factors such as antibiotics, a weakened immune system, poor diet, and stress can allow Candida to overgrow, leading to a condition called candidiasis. Candidiasis can cause a variety of symptoms including digestive issues, fatigue, brain fog, skin rashes, and yeast infections. The overgrowth of Candida can also lead to more serious health problems, such as leaky gut syndrome, autoimmune diseases, and chronic fatigue syndrome. To prevent and treat candidiasis, it is important to follow a healthy diet, take probiotics, use antifungal agents, and make lifestyle changes. Dietary changes are crucial in controlling Candida overgrowth. A diet high in sugar and processed foods can promote the growth of Candida, while a diet rich in fiber, healthy fats, and fermented foods can help keep it in check. Eliminating sugar and processed foods, and incorporating more fiber, healthy fats, and fermented foods into your diet can go a long way in controlling Candida. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in the gut and help to keep Candida in check. Taking a high-quality probiotic supplement can help repopulate the gut with beneficial bacteria and keep Candida in check. Antifungal agents can also be used to treat candidiasis. Caprylic acid, coconut oil, and garlic are some of the antifungal agents that have been shown to be effective in treating candidiasis. These agents work by disrupting the cell walls of the Candida yeast, thereby killing it and preventing its overgrowth. Lifestyle changes can also play a significant role in controlling Candida. Reducing stress, getting enough sleep, and improving hygiene can help to keep Candida in check. In addition to diet, probiotics, antifungal agents, and lifestyle changes, there are several natural remedies that can be used to control Candida overgrowth. These include apple cider vinegar, oregano oil, and boric acid. Apple cider vinegar is a powerful antifungal agent that can help to control Candida overgrowth. To use apple cider vinegar for candidiasis, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water and drink it 3 times a day. Oregano oil is another powerful antifungal agent that can help to control Candida overgrowth. To use oregano oil for candidiasis, take 1 drop of oregano oil and dilute it in a teaspoon of olive oil. Swallow the mixture 3 times a day. Boric acid is a natural antifungal agent that can be used to treat candidiasis. To use boric acid for candidiasis, insert a boric acid capsule into the vagina and leave it there for a few hours. This should be done once a day for several days. It is important to remember that candidiasis is a complex condition, and there is no single remedy that will work for everyone. It is also important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new remedies or treatments for candidiasis, as the symptoms can be similar to other health conditions and proper diagnosis is crucial for effective treatment. In conclusion, candidiasis is a common condition that can cause a variety of symptoms. To prevent and treat candidiasis, it is important to follow a healthy diet, take probiotics, use antifungal agents, make lifestyle changes, and consider natural remedies such as apple cider vinegar, oregano oil, and boric acid. With the right approach and the help of healthcare professionals, you can regain control of your health and say goodbye to Candida overgrowth for good. So, take charge of your health today and start implementing the best remedies for Candida. Your body will thank you for it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video with others who may benefit from this information. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your quest for better health. Remember, managing Candida overgrowth takes a multifaceted approach, including a healthy diet, probiotics, antifungal agents, and lifestyle changes. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. Until next time, stay healthy and keep Candida in check. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable health and wellness content. Thank you for watching.